Custom Cleaning at the Palm Beaches is a licensed, bonded, and insured professional, residential, and commercial cleaning company in Palm Beach County, Florida. Hi, I'm Steven, and this is Rachel.
And we are Custom Cleaning of the Palm Beaches.
If you're looking for a one-time single deep cleaning, Custom Cleaning can help you. If you need a cleaning of your home to prepare it for the next tenant, either a move-in or a move-out cleaning, we can handle that for you as well. If you're looking for reoccurring services on a schedule that fits your needs, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, Custom Cleaning can help you with that as well.
We also offer window cleaning for the inside and the outside of the windows in your home or office.
Custom Cleaning also offers construction and remodel cleaning to clean up that mess after your home has been redone. Whatever your cleaning needs are, we can help. Call or email Custom Cleaning today, 561-245-3839.